here at the shrine for Sir Howard Cooke, former Governor General of Jamaica, on the occasion of the celebration of the 105th anniversary of his birth.
Sir Howard Cooke was one of the founding members of the party in 1938. He would have been in his 20s at the time that he was a founder. He was a teacher. He became a principal again in his 20s. He went to Jamaica University. He had an outstanding career as an educator, and as with many educators in the time, they believed in the vision of Norman Manley and became active in the People's National Party.
He served with distinction as an officer of the party, chairman, among other positions. He served in the cabinet in the 1970s and eventually became the Governor General of the country, I think it was in 1991 or 1992, and served for over a decade in the highest office of the land. We celebrate the legacy and memory of this great Jamaican patriot, Sir Howard Cooke.